Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth section. Then select this gray switcher next to it in order to activate it. Following that, just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Then, in order to continue, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other smartphone to do the same. As you can see, after that, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Then, to connect to the same one, click on it and follow all of those instructions once again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!